Knowledge Enclave of Siddhi Green Excellence Private Limited presents a brief understanding on effluent treatment plan, scheme, design, operation, and monitoring. This topic would be covered in five parts, focusing separately on primary, secondary, tertiary, advanced treatment, and environment monitoring system. In this video, we have focused on the primary treatment of the effluent treatment plant, and the contents covered are overview of an effluent and its treatment, segregation of effluents, points to be taken care while designing, components of primary treatment, problems encountered while operation and its troubleshooting. What is effluent? Effluent is contaminated water generally discarded from industrial operations or derived from manufacturing processes. Segregation of effluent. Segregation is necessary to avoid mixing up of highly polluted stream which may alter the efficiency of ETP. Effluent shall be segregated on the basis of high TDS, high COD, highly acidic, highly alkaline, and toxic, which shall be then analyzed and treated separately using appropriate treatment method. Effluent treatment plant is a setup where various treatments are given to the effluent to remove or reduce pollutants within the permissible limit of the discharge. The hierarchy shown includes the four stages of ETP with its functions. Let's just have a look on the basic schematic diagram of conventional effluent treatment plant having preliminary, primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment.
The main factors to be considered for designing an ETP includes estimation of minimum and maximum flow of effluent, seasonal variation, capability to withstand shock loads, inlet characteristics, other factors including turbidity, temperature, silt. The ETP to be designed must be cost effective with minimal maintenance and manpower. Points to be taken care of while designing an ETP are mentioned hereby. Here are the objectives of primary treatment and its supporting equipments. Description of components are detailed ahead. The initiatory component of the primary treatment is screen chamber, having three types based on the size of screens to be removed. Bar screen is fitted at the inlet of chamber where big size particles get trapped and removed from the passing effluent. Following the grid chamber where effluent enters into the chamber where the velocity is slowed down and solids get time to settle at bottom. Oil and grease trap where effluent is allowed to pass through the compartments in laminar flow that the oil and grease rise to the surface and float, which is then removed from the top manually. Equalization from neutralization tank where effluent is mixed for maintaining uniform pH and homogeneity, and effluent is neutralized using caustic solution for acidic effluent and alum solution for basic effluent. Coagulation and flocculation. Effluent is taken in the tank and flocculant is added in control rate with slow agitation. In the flocculator, the water enters the flocculator where the flocculating paddles enhance flocculation of the feed solids. As heavy particles settle to the bottom, the liquid flows radially upward in the clarifier zone. Some of the operational problems encountered in primary treatment with its probable cause and remedies are listed here. Some of the foremost points to be taken care for managing and monitoring primary treatment are intermittent effluent quality variation, proper equalizing, dosing for pH adjustment and flocculation, sludge settlement of primary clarifier and clarity of supernatant, coordination between production and ATP operator, sampling device provided. Watch other parts of this video on effluent treatment plant schemes, design, operation and monitoring. Part 2 secondary treatment, Part 3 tertiary treatment, Part 4 advanced treatment, Part 5 environment monitoring system. For more details to visit our website www.siddhidrain.com. You can also contact on this number or drop a mail to us. We would be glad to hear from you. For more knowledge explorations, stay tuned.